All right, for the second question on the quiz, we have 632 and 16/25 plus 32 and 3/10. So we all have that written down? No response? You guys aren't participating? I don't get it? Okay. Now I see 632 and 16/25. Let's look at the denominator. Is there some number I can multiply by 25 to make it equal a power of 10? If I multiply 25 times 10, that will give me 250. Yeah? 4. Okay. So if I multiply this by 4 in my denominator, I also have to multiply by 4 in the numerator. Okay. So this is going to become hundredths, right? So I know my new number is going to be in hundredths. So what is 4 groups of 16? What is 4 times 6? Regroup my 2. 4 times 1 plus 2. So I'm going to rewrite these fractions with powers of 10 in my denominator. Now, if I say 632, the 632 is going to stay the same, right? When I go to decimal form, it says 632. Now, how would I write 64 hundredths? A 6 and a 4. I just write 64. That's it. So 32 and 3/10. If I go to decimal form, my whole number stays the same, right? My fraction can be rewritten as a decimal. If I say 3/10, what do I need to write down? 3. Just a 3. Now I have 2 decimal numbers being added together. Number one, most important thing whenever you are adding and subtracting decimals is line them up. Line them up. So now I have 632 and 64 hundredths plus 32 and 3/10. Notice how my decimals are all lined up. I know where my decimal is going to be exactly in the answer. Before I write anything else down, the decimal can go there. Now I see that I have a 5-digit number and I have a 3-digit number. What can I add right here? 0. Yep. Okay. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 3 is? Cortera, head up, please. 2 plus 2 is? 4. I still only have like maybe 6 people out of 18. 1 out of 3 people are participating. Okay, let's try this again. What is 3 plus 3? 6. Okay. 6 plus 0? 6. My answer in decimal form. Someone say that number properly, please. And 94 hundredths. Yes, that's it. Just to show you guys, what if I totally forgot about the decimal form and I said, okay, well, I need to find a common denominator. What's the common denominator between 25 and 10? 100 is. So if I multiplied this by 10 over 10, what would this be? 3 plus 10, 30. Or 3 times 10. And then this would be 100. So what is 64 hundredths plus 30 hundredths? 94 hundredths. So I could have done it the old school way and then found my denominator of 100. But to me, it's easier to find the denominator of a power of 10 before I start doing all this adding and subtracting. Because the faster I get the decimals, the faster I can get done with this. Because anytime you compare it to fractions, it just gets to be a nightmare with all the common denominators and all that.